Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing about fraction. In previous videos you learned how to reduce a number, how to find equivalent fraction of the number and how to find the missing numerator and denominator. Then in what about today's class? In today's class we are going to learn comparison of fraction. We are going to compare here fraction. Okay, so here first of all we are going to compare the unit fraction and also I will solve some examples from your my practice time 2. Use diagram to find which is greater and write greater than or smaller than sign. One has done for you from page number 152. Then what is this unit fraction? Unit fraction means a fraction having 1 as a numerator. See here also 1 is there, here also 1 is there. In numerator, if numerator 1 is there means that is what unit fraction. So let us understand by diagram. So here I have taken two rectangles and both are there in same side. So I will write here 1 by 2 and here I will write 1 by 3. Okay, so here 1 by 2 means I will make here two parts. 1 by 3, here denominator 3 is there means I will make here 3 parts. Okay, here 1 by 2 means I will shade here 1 part and here 1 by 3 means I will shade here 1 part. Then just observe and tell me which looks greater, whether it is 1 by 2 or 1 by 3. Yes, which looks greater here? 1 by 2 looks big. Therefore, see here 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 is there. Then which one is greater here? 1 by 2. So in case unit fraction is there means, unit fraction 1 is there means which has denominator less, then just you compare what denominator and in denominator which one is small, no, their side you have to put the sign. So here 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. Okay, don't see here 3 is there and here 2 is there. This is unit fraction. Just 3 the figure. There are 2 chocolates. Here I made 2 parts and here I made 3 parts. Here I will get more big chocolate piece. So 1 by 2 is the greater. Then here few more they given 1 by 2. What they given? 1 by 2. 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 5 is there. Then tell me where I have to put the sign. So diagram draw here. Again I will take here same rectangle. Yes, same rectangle you have to take. Here 1 by 3 is there. 1 by 3 means I will make here 3 parts. 1 by 5 means here I will make 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here I will shade 1 part and here I will shade 1 part. Then which looks greater here? 1 by 3. So the sign will come this side. I hope you are getting my point. Next you take here 1 by 6, 1 by 2. Again you draw here diagram 1 by 6, 1 by 2. 1 by 6, 1 by 2. Here I have to make 6 figures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and I will take one more here 6. I will take this also with little bit big. Yes, here I will make 2. Then which one is greater? Tell me. Here 1 by 6 or 1 by 2. Yes, and that is 1 by 2 is the greater fraction. So this is about what? Unit fraction. When in case unit fraction is there means which fraction has a small denominator, that is the greater fraction. When in case unit fraction means a fraction having 1 as a numerator. Where you will find a numerator as a 1, no, then that is unit fraction. So here total 6 examples are there and I have solved here 2 examples, 3 examples. So remaining you do as a homework. There is no need to do anything here. Here you have to draw 1 by 3, 1 by 5. Draw here figures. Then you come to know which one is the greatest. Put here sign. So here one more is there. Look at the diagram. Color the required number of parts and say which is greater. So let us draw this. I will draw here some figures. I am solving this from your my practice time 2 second main. 1 by 2 is there. I will take here 1 by here also what unit fraction is there, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Here they given like this 2 parts and here they given 3 parts. Okay, 1 2 3. 1 by 2. Then tell me which one is the greater here. Which one is greater here, 1 by 2 or 1 by 3? Yes, there you shade 1 part and here you shade 1 by 3. Okay, then tell me here I will shade 1 by 2. 1 here. Then which is greater here, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the greater. Okay, color the required number of parts and see which is greater. So here 1 by 2 is the greater, and to shade this you use crayons. 3 are there, among them I have solved here 1 and 2 you do as a homework. Very easy is there. Here already I told this denominator represents the total parts in the fraction. Okay, so here compare the following using greater than or smaller than or equal sign. So how to do this? See here. Here comparison of like fraction is there. Comparison of like fraction. 4 by 6, 1 by 6. 5 by 7, 6 by 7. Okay, 3 by 4, 3 by 4. Again here 4 by 5, 2 by 5. Okay, so I will take one more example here, 1 by 5, 2 by 5. Okay, next here, yes, then already you know about like fraction. Then what are this like fraction? Like fraction means a fraction having same denominators. Here 6 6, 4 4, 7 7, 5 5, 5 5. So here denominators are same. It means it is a like fraction. Then how to compare this? Here there is no need to worry. You just hide the denominator. So 6 6 is there, 4 is there, 1 is there. Then which one is greater here? This 4 by 6 is the greater. Here also hide this 7 and see 5 big or 6 big? 6 big. And here also you hide 1 by 5, 2 by 5. Then which one is greater here? This 2 by 5 is greater. 3 by 4, 3 by 4 is there. So you have to put here equal sign. 4 by 5, 2 by 5 is there, means you have to put this sign. Means in case like fraction is there, means which fraction having a big numerator, no, that is the greater fraction. When in case fractions are like. So I have solved here some of the examples from your my practice time 2, and that is compare the following fraction using greater than, smaller than or equal sign. Equal sign. Okay, so here equal is there, greater than is there, and smaller than sign also there. So here find and circle fourth main. Very simple examples are there, and that is I will take some examples. Find and circle the greatest fraction in case 1 by 5, 1 by 3, 1 by 5. Here unit and like fraction both are there. 1 by 5, 1 by 6. 1 by 5, 4 by 5. 7 by 8, 3 by 8. 2 by 5, 3 by 5. 1 by 9, 2 by 9. Okay, so here these are unit fraction. 1 1 1 1 is there. So here unit fraction is there, means which fraction having less denominator, so that is the greater fraction. So this is there, so you circle it. Next 1 by 5, 1 by 6 is there. 1 by 5 is the greater. Here 1 by 5, 4 by 5 is there. So which one is greater? 4 by 5. 7 by 8, 3 by 8 is there. So 7 by 8. 2 by 5, 3 by 5 is there. 3 by 5. 1 by 9, 2 by 9 is there, and that is 2 by 9. Okay, so this type you are going to circle the numbers. So here I have solved my practice time. My practice time 2. Okay, first main, second main, third main, fourth main. In this class I taught how to compare the unit fraction and how to compare the like fraction. Unit fraction means is just you have to see the denominator, which one is small, no, that is the greater, what, that is the greater fraction. And in what like fraction, you just hide this, which one is the greater, no, greater number in numerator, that is the greatest fraction. I hope you understood how to compare the numbers, and in next class I will teach you how to add the like fraction. Okay, I hope today's class is clear to you. Thank you.